Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd come on here and talk to you guys briefly because my hair has been straight for a little while now. It's been straight for about 4 weeks, going on 5 weeks, and I'm actually gonna wash it today. But a lot of people have been asking me, like, how do you keep your hair straight for so long? My hair will never stay that straight. My hair will go back to being curly. And I typically have that same experience, but I found some tips or kind of discovered some things that have helped me keep my hair straight throughout this process. So I wanted to share those tips with you guys. So the first tip that I have is to wrap your hair only for the first couple of days. So a lot of people tend to do doobies or wrap their hair to keep their hair straight. And it's great because it allows like your baby hairs or your edges to stay intact. And it also keeps your hair straight without you having to flat iron it. The problem that I found with wrapping my hair is that because you're literally taking your hair and wrapping it over another layer of your hair, when your first layer of hair that's wrapped sweats, the sweat on your scalp is going to hit the first layer, and then the hair that's on top of the first layer is going to get affected too. So even though it might not be as oily, it's still going to be receiving oils because it's on top of your hair. So in turn, all of your hairs are now receiving all of the oils from your scalp every single night. So what I do is I'll wrap my hair maybe for the first like 2 or 3 days because my head is so oily. And then after that, I literally just put my hair in a bun. So I'll put my hair up in a bun. And what that does is you're going to have oil in your scalp. Obviously, as we sleep, we sweat. But the hair that is in the bun is not going to be directly touching your scalp. It won't be touching the hair that's on your scalp. It's literally separated and in its own area. You can even put it in a ponytail if you wanted to, but for protective purposes, I put my hair in a bun and then I'll sleep with a scarf. That way my baby hairs are still intact. They're not sweated out, but my hair up top is not experiencing any interaction with my sweat. And what I found is that's been the key to keeping my hair straight because as you see up top, my hair is pretty oily, right? Like you can see it's shiny up here. I don't really put like shining oils in my hair. This is pure oil, but at the bottom, it's a little bit more loose. Well, as loose as it can be for 4 weeks, but it's a little bit more loose. It's not as stringy, not as oily, and that's because it has a separate place where it stays at night when my hair is sweating. So that's literally like the biggest tip for me because I found that transformed my hair and allowing it to last longer. The second tip I'll give you is put like some sort of grease or edge product on your edges to make your hair look presentable, because half the time when we wake up in the morning without a scarf on or if we're sweating a lot, this part looks crazy, so in turn the rest of your hair looks crazy. But you'll be surprised how groomed and straight your hair can look if you literally just take care of your edges. So I've been using Style Factor's Edge Booster, and I literally just put that right here. It's not a water soluble product, so it doesn't make my hair curly. It just straightens it. Now, over time, it will make your hair dirty because you're constantly putting a greasy product on your scalp. But if you're just trying to maintain your hair to be straight for a few more weeks or a few more days, that'll be just fine. The third tip that I found to be useful is what I do is I literally just flat iron. I've only flat ironed my hair once throughout these last 4 weeks. I only did it one time. And when I flat iron my hair, I literally just flat ironed the front area. So right up here, and then like the back here. Everything else, I did not flat iron at all, because if you think about it, like this part of your hair is gonna be straight if it hasn't gotten wet, right? It's gonna be in a bun. It's not really interacting with a lot of water. And then this area right here is gonna be oily, so it's already going to be straight. So there's really no need for me to be flat ironing all of this stuff. The parts of my head that I'm flat ironing are the parts that are directly in contact with my scalp. As for like right here, people can't really see that. It doesn't stand out as much as like the hair that's right in the front by your forehead. So I don't even bother flat ironing this because it's not noticeable. My hair right here is black. It's fine. And also what I found is that just flat ironing that area allows for my hair to look more voluminous. So if I'm constantly flat ironing my hair every single day or every 2 days, my hair is going to be flat. It's going to be on my face. It's going to be sticky, and it's not going to be cute. But if I just flat iron right here And in the back, it leaves room for my hair to be as thick as it normally is, but still look straight. So that's my third tip. Just focus on flat ironing the areas that have direct contact with your scalp and that are most visible. And my last tip is a tip that I would use for someone who's either keeping their hair straight for 3 days or for 4 weeks. Sleep with a scarf on. Take a shower with your scarf on. It just saves you so much more time, and it prevents you from having to put so much more product on your hair. So like when I go to bed at night, I always make sure that I put a scarf on to protect my edges. If I don't, literally every single day I'm gonna have to like put some sort of edge product in my hair, and it's gonna make my hair more greasy, which is gonna make my hair more dirty, and I'm going to have to wash it quicker. But I can prevent that by just sleeping with a scarf and taking a shower with a scarf. That way my hairs stay flat on my scalp. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope that it was informative for you. It's just some great tips to give you. I'm not encouraging you to not wash your hair, because obviously hair health is most important. But if you're in a situation where you need to keep your hair straightened for a certain period of time because you have to go to an event, or you just don't feel like washing your hair just yet, these are some great tips to help you maintain your straight hair. But my hair is dirty. I need to go wash my hair, so I'm gonna do that now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.